¿Qué onda, vatos? We're gonna be opening this box. I am very excited about what's inside of here. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Like I said, I've been talking about this for some time. I've been bragging about this. And yes, as you can see, it's an air filter. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for some time now. I am very excited to see. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, so I've been waiting for this for quite a few months. It's been on back order, and finally it's in stock. Get Lower Cycles also has this in stock, so let's go ahead and open this up. You guys are going to know exactly what this is now. Like I said, I've been talking about this in all of my videos for some time, and there it is, the Stealth Stinger air filter teardrop from S&S. Man, this thing is gorgeous. I love the way it looks. It's got that old school look with that modern take with this center exposed of the air filter. Let's see if what else is in here. So we have the backing plate for the air filter. That looks nice. And we have the tools, some air breather bolts, some gaskets, O-rings, stickers, some Loctite, and we have that centerpiece of the air filter right here, I'm guessing. I'm gonna scratch up this cover, teardrop, and there she is. Man, this thing should compete against my Trask air filter. Of course, my bike's not dynoed or anything like that. I don't have the money to be doing that, to be dyno tuning every single air filter. But man, this thing looks good. Look at that. I mean, this, I'm pretty sure you don't need this. I'm pretty sure this is a very good high flow air filter. But it's just the small little details that count, and man, that's gonna look just awesome on the on the lowrider. Man, this thing's gonna look good. So I'm a big fan of this air filter, of this air breather. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, or if you guys want to wait to see what I kind of think about it, man, I love this thing already. This thing just screams old school performance. I'm a huge fan of this air filter, like I said. And what else is in here? Some installation parts, and like always, we'll probably look through it. I did install my Trask air filter upside down, so this time I think I am going to look at the instructions, but I don't think you need to. This is pretty much straightforward. Thanks for tuning in for yet another video. You guys go ahead and leave a like on the video. If you guys want to see how this performs and looks on the bike, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're going to get all of this installed, and like I said, I think this is going to be up there with performance and air, mass air, or CFMs, whatever they call it. I think it's going to be up there, up to par with Trask. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.